to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jasmine. Welcome. Now, today I'm super excited because I can't wait to try on with you guys the new Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette. You guys probably seen it and heard a lot of reviews already about it, but I just can't wait for me to try it on because I've been looking forward for new different shades. Since you guys already see me on my almost all my videos, I always use the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, so I just wanted to try something different. And along with the purchase of my palette, I got these Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Zero. And once you open this, it shows you all the different shades that you can actually purchase as well. And if you want to know more information about that, you can just check their website and you can see all the new collections that they have. But for me right now, I'll stick with the eyeshadow palette because that's all I need right now. So if you guys want to continue on with this video, let's go ahead and get started. So this is what it looks like once you pull it out of the box. You have all these traveler pictures from front and back of the palette, and it does come included with a big compact mirror inside. And you can get this on Ulta for $49 if you guys are interested. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. Alright, this is what the palette looks like once you open it. There's 21 shades in here, and you have a mixture of matte and a mixture of metallics. Alright you guys, so this is all the 21 color swatches from the palette. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Now, I have no clue how I'm gonna start off, but I really like it because it does have the mirror in it, which is a bonus. And it's kind of a little bit heavy, but it's not too heavy. And I went ahead and applied some eyeshadow primer already onto my eyes. And I'm going to be using my fluffy brush. And I'm going to start using the Steel Shot color, which is this one right here. And I'm just simply gonna tap this. Has my transition color, and this is just the transition color that I'm gonna be using. Now these colors is really amazing. I love it. And now the second eyeshadow I'm gonna be using is the Baja color, which is this darker orangey one. And I'll be using the same brush, of course, because it's the only one I have. And I will just apply these on top of the other color. And just look at this, it looks really nice. I'm really liking the way this is blending with the other one. It's just a really nice transition color. And this, I guess, is perfect for the summer. Now, these are the type of colors that I was looking for. Yeah. So, my next color will be, I'm gonna use this Wanderlust right here, this green one. And for that, I will use another one of my brushes. And I'm just simply going to start off in the corner of the eye. Now it does have a little fall off because I didn't tap it, so just make sure that you guys be careful with it. So now I'm starting off with my left side, and I'm simply doing the same thing that I did to the right side of my eye. So comment down below and let me know if you guys already have these eyeshadow palette, and if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up, please. So now I'm gonna use these double life. So I'm gonna simply apply that on the eyelid. Wow, this is so beautiful, you guys. This is definitely a must-have. You probably all have different opinions, but for me, since I don't have a lot of eyeshadows, I think it's really cool. You guys should give it a try. Use this stranded color right here, and I will apply that in the tier of my eye drop and some on the top of my brow bone. And I'm gonna go back with the same fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clean this a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wanderlust, which was the little green one color, and I'm just gonna simply apply that underneath the eye. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start off by applying some eyeliner, and this is from NYX. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply these new 24/7 eye pencil in 0, and I'm just gonna simply use it on my waterline. So far, so good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my fall eyelashes off camera, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's makeup tutorial. I really do hope you guys like the way it came out. I honestly did like the Urban Decay new eyeshadow palette. They all blend well, and as you guys noticed, I already applied my fall eyelashes, and then I applied some lipstick from Maybelline. Well, it's not from Maybelline, but I think it was from Mary Kay, so don't get mad at me. Now, I hope to see you guys in my next video, and like I said, if you guys have already tried it on or you guys already purchased it, please comment down below. Let me know how well you like it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.